This problem is asking us to find the volume of a cone. I know it's a cone because if I'm looking for my base, I'll put it in blue here. My base is right, whoops, that's not quite it. My base is right here. There we go. So my base is a circle, and the volume of a cone is equal to the area, the area of the base times the height, and then because it's pointy, it's got a pointy end here, we divide by 3 or multiply times 1/3. Alright, so first we've got to find the area of our base, and the area of a circle, as we know, is equal to pi r squared. And r, to find r, I see that this line right here goes all the way across the circle, so that is a diameter. And I need to find a radius. A radius goes from the center to the end, so right there, like that piece is my radius. And so my radius is 1/2 of 6. So if I take 6 over 2, that's going to give me my radius of 3. So my radius equals 3. So the circle is pi r squared, so the area of the circle is going to be 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 pi, and 9 pi square centimeters. That's my area. Now I need to find my height, and my height goes from here to here, and that is 12 centimeters. So to find my volume now, my volume is simply going to be, as I said, the area of the base, which is 9 pi centimeters squared. The height is 12 centimeters. And I got to take that whole thing and multiply by 1/3. So if I take 9 pi times 12, that's 108 pi. Centimeters times centimeters, centimeters squared times centimeters would be centimeters cubed. And take that whole thing times 1/3, and 108 divided by 3 is going to be 36 pi cubic centimeters. Let me just switch colors here and show you something about that could be easier. When I had my problem over here, let's take that and bring it over here now. So we had 9 centimeters squared times 12 centimeters times 1/3. Well, it would have probably been easier, rather than to multiply these two numbers together, I could have taken 1/3 times 12, for example, and that's 4, so then I would just have 9 times 4, and that's going to get me my 36. So you don't have to just start from the left and multiply. If it's easier to do, if you have A times B times C, it might be easier to do C times B or C times A first, and this is an example of that. But any way you did it, the answer should be 36 pi cubic centimeters.